What if you could go from a totally blank page to a fully sourced, publish-ready report in the next 15 minutes?
Okay.
And you didn't have to write a single sentence yourself.
I mean, that sounds like the holy grail for busy professionals. But we're not just talking about a wall of text, right?
No.
We're talking about a polished one-page brief with headlines, source quotes, visuals, and all in an export-ready format.
Exactly. Today, we're going to prove it's possible with a tool called GenSpark AI.
Right.
And in just a moment, Ben is going to show you the single click that can cut your research time in half. Stick with us. If you're a YouTuber, an entrepreneur, or a team lead, your day is a battle against the clock. You're just spending hours, researching, drafting, and formatting.
It's a massive productivity drain. So GenSpark AI is designed to fix that entire workflow. And let's be clear here. This isn't just another AI that spits out text. Think of it as your personal research assistant, copy editor, and content strategist all rolled into one.
Wow, that's a big claim. But Ben's about to explain how GenSpark delivers credible, not generic AI content.
Yeah.
And why that's the real game changer here.
Okay, let's get right to it. The fundamental difference with GenSpark AI is trust. Most AI tools are essentially creative guessers. They generate text that sounds right, but you have no clue where the information came from.
Right, the dreaded AI hallucination. You end up spending just as much time fact-checking as you would have writing it from scratch.
Precisely. GenSpark operates on a completely different principle.
Okay.
It doesn't just make things up. It actively synthesizes information from real, verifiable online sources, cites them on the spot, and organizes everything into a clean, structured document.
So it's not just a writer.
Right.
It's a researcher that shows its work. That feels like a huge leap. It solves the biggest pain points of content creation.
It does. That feeling of having 20 different browser tabs open for research, that's gone. Worried about that bland, generic AI tone?
Yeah.
GenSpark provides data-backed insights with citations that you can actually click and verify. And the formatting nightmare, spending an hour just making a report look good.
Tell me that's gone too.
It's handled. The templates are ready to go. You can type in a simple prompt like, create a market trends brief for the electric car industry in 2025, and out comes a professional report with a summary, key statistics, expert quotes, and a full list of sources.
That's the foundation. But next, I want to see this thing in action. Show me how we can take that generated report and make it even better.
Yep.
Without lifting a finger. Okay, the theory is solid. Let's dive into the core benefits. Ben, what's the first thing a new user is going to notice?
Speed, without a doubt. It's almost shocking the first time you see it. Imagine compressing a 4-hour research project in just 4 minutes.
Wow.
We're not exaggerating. You can literally start a timer, type a prompt, and watch a detailed report get built before you've even finished your coffee.
And that speed is useless without quality. So benefit 2 is that trust factor we talked about.
Exactly. Every single fact is linked to a source. In the document, you can just hover your cursor over any citation, and a small pop-up appears showing you a preview of the original source article. It's instant fact-checking. It gives you complete confidence in the material.
I love that. But what about creating, richer content? Sometimes I need more than just text and sources.
And that's benefit 3. Depth. It's just one click away. Need a table comparing the pros and cons of different software? Just ask for it.
Right.
Need a chart that visualizes market growth? Tell the AI to insert one. It builds these complex elements for you instantly.
We're back. Then you've shown us how easy it is to get a great result. But let's talk about getting an exceptional result. How do we unlock the true power of GenSpark?
Okay, this is where you graduate from a casual user to a power user. Tip number 1 is prompt layering. Your first prompt gives you the initial draft, But the real magic is in the follow-up. You can add another prompt like, now rewrite that introduction in a more persuasive tone for a LinkedIn post, or summarize section 3 into 5 key bullet points. You're having a conversation to refine the document.
I like that. It's an iterative process. What's tip number 2?
Batch projects. So, if you're a content creator who needs 3 different video scripts researched, you don't have to do them one by one. You can queue up 3 different sparks to generate in parallel. Go grab that coffee, and when you come back, all 3 drafts are waiting for you.
Okay, that's a real efficiency gain. What's next on the power user list?
Custom templates. So if you produce a weekly market report that always has the same sections like top trends, competitor moves, and expert analysis, you don't have to define that structure every single time. Create it once, save it as a custom template, and it becomes a one-click process every week.
Love that. Give us one more, a really futuristic one.
It's called AI collaboration mode. This is mind-blowing. When you turn this on, the AI actively participates with you. As you're reviewing or editing the document, it will proactively suggest the next logical section to add or a relevant data point you might be missing. It literally anticipates your needs in real time.
So it's not just a tool you command, it's a genuine partner in the creative process. Incredible. Up next, we're sharing real-world examples so you can see exactly how this fits into your work life. We've covered the what and the how. Now for the most important part, the who. Who is using GenSpark AI right now, and what are they actually achieving with it?
The applications are incredibly diverse. Let's start with content creators. We're seeing YouTubers use it to conduct all their initial research and generate detailed, time-stamped script outlines in minutes. It's cutting their pre-production time in half, or even more.
I can immediately see the value there. What about for the business world?
Entrepreneurs are using it for lightning-fast market analysis. Instead of spending a week and thousands of dollars on a consultant to research a new product idea, they can get a comprehensive brief with credible sources and competitor data in under an hour. It's making them so much more agile. That's a serious competitive advantage. What about for larger teams? We see corporate teams using the shared project briefs to get faster approvals. When everyone, from marketing to legal, is working from the same sourced document, it eliminates the endless back and forth emails and meetings. It creates a single source of truth.
Any other surprising use cases?
Students are a big one. They're using it to create detailed summaries of dense academic texts and to generate properly formatted bibliographies and reference lists for their essays. It's essentially a personal research assistant for their studies.
So this scales from an individual student all the way up to a fast-moving enterprise. In just a moment, I'm going to challenge you, our listener, to put GenSpark to the test and prove to yourself that it can change your workflow instantly. We've gone from a blank page to a finished report in the time it took to listen to this podcast. Now it's your turn. Here is your challenge. Go to GenSpark, start a new project on a topic you've been procrastinating on, and time yourself.
If you don't save at least an hour of work on your very first try, we will be genuinely surprised.
Click the link in our show notes to start for free. And if this episode helped you, do us a quick favor. Hit subscribe and share this with one person you know who is drowning in work. They'll thank you for it. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. As AI takes over the heavy lifting of research and summarization, what does that free you up to do with your newfound time and creative energy?